Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill house tax form. First, gather all your essential documents, including your property deed, assessment notices, and any records of improvements. Knowing which specific form applies to your property is crucial, as requirements can vary significantly. Also, be sure to mark your calendar with the submission deadline to ensure timely filing and avoid any late fees. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother. Now, let's navigate the form itself. You'll typically find sections for basic property identification, like your address and parcel number, along with ownership information. Pay close attention to where you report your property's assessed value, which is often provided by your local assessor's office. Also, look for designated areas to claim any eligible deductions, exemptions, or credits that can reduce your tax burden. This is where you can save some money. Many homeowners can claim deductions for things like mortgage interest paid and the property taxes they've already remitted. Investigate if you qualify for any exemptions, such as a homestead exemption, which can reduce your property's taxable value by several $1,000s, or specific benefits for senior citizens. Accurately calculating, these can significantly lower your final tax bill. Before you hit submit, take a moment for a thorough review. Carefully check every entry for accuracy, ensuring all numbers match your supporting documents. Make sure you've attached all necessary paperwork, like proof of exemptions or receipts for deductions. Finally, submit your completed form well before the deadline, whether electronically or by mail, to ensure it's processed without any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.